Hello. In this video, we will see how we can implement the file upload size validation on an Laravel application. So, in our case, as of now, we are having a PHP Laravel application in which we need to create an form and place an input field which basically uploads a file. Okay, so our main job here is to validate the file size, so user can only allow to upload some specific file size in the input field. So let's check this out. What is the input form we are having? So right now we are having this particular form, and in this form there is a particular input field, as you can see here. Okay, so as of now there is no validation in this particular file input box. Let me first show you so we can clearly see how it works. So just let me fill the form with the dummy data. As you can see right now, this file input box, I am uploading a file like this particular file I am going to upload. Okay, so I select this particular file and click on submit. So basically right now this particular uh, data is submitted successfully, and there is no validation on the file size actually. Okay, so now we are going to uh, apply the file side validation. Okay, to do this we need to just go to the validation code. This is the validation logic in our case. Okay, so we just need to add more rule, like in this particular validation rule. So basically this code is responsible for the validation. I hope you previously understand how we implement the basic validation, like required validation on an input field on a Laravel application. If you know that particular thing, then you will easily understand how we can implement the file size validation. So this is the file input field that is particular showing in our case, and in this case we are having the required validation, and this particular one after the pipe symbol is actually responsible for checking the file types of the uploaded file. Okay, so after that we are again going to provide a pipe symbol. This particular symbol is called as pipe, and then we just need to specify a keyword like between. Okay, after between we need to specify the column. Okay, and now we need to specify the minimum file size that needs to be required of the file upload. So in my case I just take the value as 1. So here the size is considered as kilobytes, basically the kbs. So the minimum value I take as 1, and I put here the comma, and now I can just specify the maximum file size that needs to validate. So in my case I just put here the 100. So basically the file needs to be in between 1 and 100 kbs. I just save the changes and test this particular thing. So I again go to the form. Okay, I just delete the previous one and create the new one. So in this case I just upload the file size that is above 100 kbs in our case as of now, to check if it's successfully uploaded or not. So I am going to upload this particular file size that is actually having the almost 2.2 MBs of file size. So I'm going to upload this one. I double click the file, and as you can see, it's successfully selected, and click on submit. As you can see, we are having this particular message that says the file must be between 1 and 100 kbs. So basically this is how we can implement the file size validation in a Laravel application. So this is a very simple process, and if you are having any issues or any question, just let me know in the comments. I will be too happy to help you out. So if you are going to need this particular thing in the documentation, you can simply go to this particular URL, and just search here the between operator. So basically this is the one we are going to use. So if you are having an issue, just let me know. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you.